Hey guys, what's up? This is Miss Candy Reptiles. I'm here doing an unboxing. This is from Notpolish. I'm so excited about this because I've been wanting to try their products, and I just bought a couple of things. If I can open this up. I'm super excited about this. These are the colors that I got from Notpolish. I got the mini ones because I just wanted to try it out to see how it works. See, they're like butter, and everybody's buying them. So, these are some of the colors that I got, and I'm excited to try them. I will be doing a review on them pretty soon. I just wanted to comment and show you what I received from Notpolish. This one is Yellow Mamba. This is Mambasita. This one is Milky White. I Don't Kiss and Tell. Princess Slippers. The Nail Boss. I'm very excited about this one. I love glitter. And last but not least, Nude Panther. So yeah, ladies, I'll be back real soon. I'll be doing a review on them. This was just a unboxing on the products that I just received today. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And once again, thank you, Notpolish.